And install a bat cone in an attic. It's a bat cone. You put this in and the bat can go out, but it can't come back in. Crawl through this tube, but it's not able to enter from the front. If you have a hole about the size of your finger in the attic, they can get through. Evidently, it's because of this long protrusion that they're not able to get back through, especially since the hole's so big. It would have been nice if they would have made this bat cone with a round shape, because this is going to be a difficult shape to cut into the plywood. Fill all those gaps in the attic. Spray foam works really fast, but they can chew right through it. Using copper scouring pads or stainless steel, they can't chew through this as easily. Time I'm working near bats, I always use a respirator. Use these Forstners to drill a hole and then make an oval. Allow out the hole. Installed down so the rain doesn't get in. Template with tape. Cut it out with a knife, and then I'll have a template cut. I'll peel it out. I'll put this on the wall, drill it out, and file it.